Hello, good morning, everybody. Myself, Professor B. A. Shinde, presenting the weed management, our course of third year, that is the Agro 3510. The course title is the weed management. First, we will be seeing the syllabus of our course. It is the weed management. First, we share this syllabus on the screen. You see this. Okay, you see this our course number Agro 3510. Then our course title is Debit Management, and our credit is a 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. That is 2 for our theory syllabus and 1 for our practical syllabus. Okay, this course is theory as well as the practical oriented. Then our syllabus, actual syllabus, go towards our actual syllabus. So our first and the second topic is the introduction and importance of a weed. Their weightage is about 6% of the whole syllabus. Then in the introduction and the importance of the weeds, actually the introductions, then what is meant by weed, then that is the meanings of the weeds and what is the difference in the weed plants as well as in the crop plants. Then also the importance of the weeds in the important economic based importance as well as the related to the crop based importance. Then this is the importance of the weeds are there. Then our third and the fourth topic is on the characteristics of the weeds. Actually, the characteristics of the weeds. Then there are different features as well as the peculiarities of the weeds. How the weeds are survive and how it is a compete with other plants, how it absorbs uh, the nutrients as well as the waters with a compete to the other plants or the associated plants or the other weeds also, how it competes, how it produces the seeds. Then these are some important characteristics of the weeds. So we will be seeing such all these characters into the topics. Okay, and their weightage is about a 6%. Then our five and a sixth topic is on the harmful and the beneficial effect of weeds on the ecosystems. Actually, the harmful effect and the beneficial effects of the weeds are elaborated in these topics. Actually, the harmful effects, it is a harm to the crop plants as well as a harm to the humans also and the animals, and there are beneficial effects. Actually, their importance are there or the beneficial effects in the medicinal use as well as the forage is there as well as for the human consumptions. All these beneficial effects of the weeds are actually described in these topics. Then the topic number 7 and the 8, it is actually the classification of the weeds. So the classification of the weeds according to the different ways, as like there are actually classifications according to the habitat classifications, as well as their classifications on their classifications on the basis of their the exotics as well as the annual, biannuals, or the durations, or according to their life cycles are there. Such type of the classifications are there. Then also the shift of the weed florals. The shift actually such a weeds which are aligned or introduced to the other places. The introductions of the weeds from one place to the another place, that is a shift of the weed florals. Then how it is a shifted? Okay. Then our ninth and 10th topic is on the reproductions and the disseminations of the beads. Actually, the reproductions and the disseminations of the beads is their multiplications and the transfer of the weed seeds from one place to the another place. And this is actually the part of the reproductions or the multiplications of the beads are there, and their weight is about 8%. Then the topic number 11 is on the classifications of the herbicides. So the herbicides are classified on the different ways, as like the systemic herbicides, then the contact herbicides are there, then the according to their the applications, as like the pre-emergence applications, post-emergence applications, then such descriptions of that classifications of the herbicides is actually inserted into the uh, number, that is the topic number 11. Then their weightage is about a 6%. Then the 12 and 13, this is the concept of the adjuvant and the surfactant. The adjuvant and the surfactant actually such a type of the ingredients are there. Such type of the ingredients which are uh, actually mixed with the herbicides for improving their the herbicidal activities. Okay, this is the concept of the adjuvants and the surface attractants, uh, surface actants, about a 6% weightage is there. The 14 number topic is on the herbicide formulations and their use. Actually, the herbicides formulations and their use are there. Their weightage is about a 4%. Actually, the formulations, if you have going to a purchase of the herbicides, then you see such type of the herbicides are available in the market or Shopee, as like the power in the powder form, in the liquid forms, or in the granular form. These are actually the formulations of the herbicide and their applications or their use in actual field conditions. Okay. Then topic number 15 and 16 is actually the introductions to the mode of actions of the herbicide. The mode of actions of the herbicides, how it is act after the applications. Then that is the for the pre-emergence applications of the herbicides. Then how it is act by the systematic, actually a system. Actually, the applications uh, is the direct applications is there, or the liquid formulations, and then the by a seed. Then if it is applied into the soils as well as applied into the FIMs. Then there are a mode of actions of such a herbicides. Then the introductions. Then the topic number 17 is actually the introductions to the herbicide and their selectivity. Their weightage is about 4% here also. Then the introduction of the herbicide. Which type of the herbicides are there? Then the selectivity. Actually, such herbicide is the selective or non-selective herbicide. So all these selectivities of factors which are included in the topic number 17. Then the topic number 18 and 19, that is the allelopathy and its applications in the weed management. What is the allelopathy? You know about the allelopathy, that is the one type of chemicals which is prepared by the roots of the one plant and which inhibits the growth of the another plants. It is actually roots are excreted such type of the chemicals which inhibit the growth of the associated plants or the other plants, maybe the plants as well as the weed cells. Then such type of the chemicals you may also apply for the reducing the weed populations of the others. Okay. Then your weightage is about 8%. Then the topic number 20 and 21, that is the bioherbicides and their applications in the agriculture. Their weightage is about 8%. Then the bioherbicides and their applications. What is the bioherbicide? That is the biologically formed herbicides are there. Just like the bioagents are there. As such of the herbicides which are presented by, actually prepared by the number of microorganisms which are applied into the a particular weed population, then maybe the reduces or minimize the growth of the herbs or the weeds. Then the topic number 22 and 23, that's the concept of herbicide mixtures and its utility in the agriculture. Its weightage is about 6%. That is the concept of herbicide mixtures and its utility in the agriculture. Then herbicide mixtures, that is what type of the herbicides which are mixed together and applied. It may be the systemic herbicides are there or the contact herbicides. It may be the mixed or not mixed into theirs, or the other type of the herbicides which are mixed or combined applications of such herbicides are. Then the topic number 24 and 25, the herbicide compatibility with agrochemicals. The herbicide compatibility with agrochemicals. If other agrochemicals are there, like the insecticides are there, and the pesticides are there, fungicides are there, then if these herbicides are the compatible, that is the compatibility of such herbicides are there with such a type of the agrochemical, that is the 4% weightage is there. Then the topic number 26, the herbicide compatibility with fertilizers. As like the compatibility with insecticide, then the fungicides or the other agrochemicals, and such type of the compatibility with fertilizer cells. If the liquid fertilizers are applied along with the herbicide, then there is a effect, positive or the negative effect on the herbicides as well as such fertilizers which are mixed together with herbicide. Then their weightage is about a 2%. Then the 27 and 28 topic is on the integrations of the herbicides with the non-chemical methods of weed management. Actually, the integrated use of the herbicides and their applications of such herbicides which are non-chemical. Actually, all these type of the methods or the integrated weed managements are there without applications of the chemicals. As like the appropriate combinations of the cultural methods, then the biological methods, mechanical methods, without the applications of chemicals which are included in these topics, and their weightage is about 6%. Then the topic is the 29th and 13th, that is the last topic, the herbicide resistance and its management. Some of the herbicides which are resistant to the herbicide, actually such a plants or the herbs which are resist against the particular herbicides. Then how it is possible to resist such herbicides, and their managements are there. Their weightage is about 6%. Then this is the topics, all these topics of our syllabus, and some reference books are there. You see this, all these reference books or the suggested readings are there. The important books are the Ulrich RJ and Kramer RJ in 1997, the principles in the weed management. Then the second book is the Gupta OP, weed management principles and practices. Then another book of that uh, author, the modern weed management, and also another one book is there, the scientific weed management today and tomorrow. Then the Jay Kumar R and the Jagannathan are the weed science principles. The Mandal RC, the weed weedicides and the weed control principles and practices. Then the Rao VS, the principles of weed science. You may read all the books, or if any of the book is available, then you refer this book for your final examinations. Okay, and this is the finish of our first lecture here.